Hi, this is Ian Jarvis with Kendall Honda, and today we're going to be talking about Honda's Honda Sensing suite of features. So on your dash, you have two green lights when you have the feature turned on that stand for Adaptive Cruise Control and Lane Keep Assist System. They're both convenience features for out on the open highway. Adaptive Cruise Control allows you to be able to pace behind other vehicles without you ever hitting your brake or gas pedal, and Lane Keep Assist tries to help you keep centered in your lane. What I'm going to be showing you today is how these two features work. First one, with Adaptive Cruise, on your steering wheel you'll have a little picture of a car with little lines under it. Each time you tap it over and over, you'll have bars on your screen that slowly disappear. They start at 4, 3, 2, and 1. Each one represents about a second, so when we get out on the road, I'm going to leave this on 2 bars, which means it will be leaving 2 seconds. The Lane Keep Assist is right next to it, and when you press this, it activates and you get these 2 lines. Now, Honda's system only starts doing its job above 45 miles an hour, so anything slower it's not going to attempt to help you, but when you're above that 45 mile an hour magic mark, that the car will actually try to maintain you somewhat centered in your lane. So let's get out on the road and try it. One feature specific to the Honda Accord is it actually has the ability to show you how far out in front of you a vehicle is, even when you're not in cruise control. So I have a vehicle that I'm behind about 40 yards away. Once I set my cruise, it'll show what speed I've set, and it also gives me a picture of a vehicle indicating that it's pacing that vehicle in front of me. So even if I adjust my cruise speed manually to 45, 50, 51, that we're still maintaining about 45 miles an hour because the car in front of me is going that speed. So another feature Hondas have is low speed follow assist. So I'm behind a car that came up to a stoplight and I've not hit my brakes at all. Vehicles that Honda currently has with that feature are the Honda Accord, Civic, CR-V, Insight, Clarity, and soon to be the 2021 Honda Odyssey. Once a light turns green, you can resume your cruise control by either tapping the gas pedal or just hitting the resume button on the steering wheel, like so. And then the vehicle will speed up with the vehicle in front of you. So that's the basics of how to use Honda's sensing system. I always want to stress to people, it's not self-driving. You still want to be aware of your surroundings. If you ever feel like that you want to hit your brakes, always do that. But just know that the car has your back and is almost like a second set of eyes for you. So again, thanks for watching our video. This has been Ian Jarvis with Kendall Honda. Come in and try out one of these cars whenever you feel like. I think that this is great technology that people need to get comfortable with and try out and test. So thank you for your time.
Kendall, let's start something great.